Are you tired of razor burn, ingrown hairs and necks? If so, you are definitely in need of an electric shaver. But which one is the best for women? In this video, I will help you choose the perfect electric shaver for your needs. I will also include my top 7 picks for the best electric razors for women. So watch on and be prepared to be impressed. Number 7. Finishing Touch Flawless Legs Electric Razor. If you are looking for a hair removal device and that provides maximum comfort and control, look no further than the Finishing Touch. This device is designed specifically to remove leg hair, making it one of the most expensive options on my list, but maybe worth the investment for some people. You should also keep in mind that this product is only suitable for dry use, so make sure you have all the necessary supplies before buying. Made with 18-karat gold-plated floating heads, this device features a PalmPerfect design that ensures superior control and comfortable use. While it's for dry use only, the upsides are that you don't need to use creams or gels to get the job done, and you are not forced into the shower. Number 6. Remington WD-F4821 US Smooth and Silky Electric Shaver. With its unique open blade system, Remington's smooth and silky electric shaver remains flush with your skin regardless of angle, resulting in a close shave and smooth results. The dual-sided blade lifts longer hair for a better cut. The hypoallergenic falls and trimmers glide across your skin, leaving no strands behind. This rechargeable foil shaver is ideal for legs, but it also manages your underarms and bikini areas. If sensitivity is an issue, it also features an almond oil strip that soothes your skin with every pass. Remington's smooth and silky electric shaver is 100% waterproof, so you can use it in and out of the shower and with or without shaving gels or creams. In the box, you will find a charging stand, bikini comb, and head guard and travel bag. Number 5. Braun Epilator Silk-épil 99880. This facial cleansing brush to remove makeup up to 6x better than manual cleansing. This razor features a hypoallergenic flexing foil that glides seamlessly along your body curves and contours, maintaining close contact every inch of the way. It removes 4x shorter hair than wax, adapts to every contour for an efficient epilation, even in difficult areas like the knee and underarm. You can use the shower or bath. It's super quick and easy to clean. It didn't take long to epilate either, which is nice. You have to hold it at a 90-degree angle to your skin, not tilted. The light is really useful to be able to see the hair since the tool kind of blocks your light. By having the pressure indicator, it really helps to make sure you have a light touch. Number 4. Philips BikiniPerfect Advanced Women's Trimmer Kit. Philips BikiniPerfect Advanced Women's Trimmer Kit is essentially a one-and-done kit for maintaining your bikini line, and it includes 3 attachments to do just that. A precision trimming head and precision comb provide even hair removal, and the micro shaving head removes stubble for a smooth, well-defined bikini line. This electric shaver can be used in or out of the shower for maximum convenience, and it's rechargeable with a mighty 60-minute runtime. Anyone headed out for a little sun and sand might be interested to know that it also comes with a zippered travel bag. Macro shaving head removes stubble for a smooth, well-defined bikini line, plus it doesn't drain the batteries fast. Number 3. Brori Electric Razor for Women. Designed specifically for sensitive areas like your bikini, underarm, knees, and ankles, the Brori Electric Razor lets you skip the nicks, curves, and irritation that disposable razors are known for. The 3 high-performance, high-speed razor-sharp blades help you easily and quietly shave or trim any unwanted hair, arms, legs, back, armpits, and intimate bikini lines without any residue. It adopts advanced 3D floating foil and hypoallergenic stainless steel blade, gliding gently along your body curves and contour without irritation worries on sensitive skin. It's lightweight, it's easy to hold. The trimming blades are sharp enough to remove hairs but do not irritate my skin. The curved blade is the most delicate on my skin and effectively removes hair. Number 2. ElectriBrite Electric Razor for Women. ElectriBrite Electric Razor for Women for legs help customize hair shaving on your face, arms, legs, body, armpit, and bikini lines, etc. in minutes without any residue. Multifunctional hair removal including facial hair removal head and body hair trimmer head, multifunctionally shaving unwanted hair effectively. It is waterproof, electric razor safe to use even in bath or shower. The detachable razor head design and long cleaning brush make this hair trimmer easy to clean. No more nicks, cuts and irritation. It closely removes unwanted hair gently. It's a multi-zone face and body shaver help rid of small and most sensitive parts of unwanted hair. This electric razor for women with ergonomic design is easy to hold and fits well in your hand. Number 1. Panasonic Close Curve Electric Shaver for Women. Panasonic Close Curves Electric Shaver for checks a lot of boxes for the things that matter in an electric shaver. It comes in just under $30 and has thousands of 5-star reviews to back it up. So if you don't see where this is going, it hits my list as the best electric razor for women overall. For starters, this shaver is ergonomically designed with an arch handle to fit comfortably in your hand, and it works backward and forward so you can cover more large swaths of your skin in no time flat. With 3 ultra-sharp floating blades and dual ultra-thin outer falls, it hugs the curves around your knees and calves and makes nicks and cuts things of the past. This electric razor is waterproof so you can use it in or out of the shower. You will have up to 35 minutes of power on a single charge.